Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. Alec Benjamin has been here numerous times, so this one found you first. This is basically one chord progression with the bridge part added to it, but mainly one chord progression, and that's it. So we're gonna learn this with capo set on the 3rd fret. That's the absolute best scenario for us. So let's put that on, capo on 3rd, and go over the chords. So we're gonna start with C major 7. All right, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on G, open B, and open E. We have the A minor 7 then. What you do from the C major, you just keep that 2nd fret D string with the mid finger, and then you add the 1st fret B string, and you release the 3rd A. So it gives us this. It's open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have A. What I do, I keep that still, this 2nd fret D string, and then I add the 2nd G and 2nd B. So that gives us open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Then we have the D minor 7. So that is open D, 2nd G, 1st B, and 1st E. And I play a little bar there on the 1st B and 1st E in the end there. So very easy like this. And then you have the F major 7. All right. So I keep that 2nd fret G string, and I tell you that because it's that easier to understand the chord progressions and to do it as effective as possible. So from the D minor 7, I just straight up my index to that 2nd B string. I keep that 2nd G, and I add a 3rd D string like this. So that gives us 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. That is the main chords used for the main part of the song. Then you need to add just a couple 2 chords more to this one. So the next one looks like this. Very similar to D minor 7. It goes open D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And I think this is actually called the D7 sus2 chord. Alright, it's only played once in the bridge parts. And then we have the F minor. So it goes 3rd on the D string. And then I play a little bar on the 1st fret, and it covers the G, B, and E string. Alright, so 3rd D, 1st G, 1st B, and 1st E. Played with a little bar there. Alright, so there you have all the chords. Now let's take a look at the main part and the chords and the strumming. So it starts with the C major 7. It goes like this. Okay, so it's down, down, up, clap. You're gonna start there. And then you continue with down, up, and then down, down, up, clap. Okay, so down, down, up, clap, down, up, and then you start down, down, up, clap. That's it for the C major 7. So it goes like this. Okay, then you switch to the A minor 7 and play down, a short little pause, and then down, up, clap, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, so in the exact same way as the C major 7, you have just a longer pause after the first down is played. So it goes. Okay, so from C major to A minor, it goes like this. Okay, so the A minor ends with down, down, up, no clap afterwards. That clap is replaced with just one down on the A chord, and that's the only down we're gonna play for A, just one down. So imagine you had a clap there after the A minor 7. That clap is replaced with a new chord, the A, and a down instead of a clap. So it goes like this slowly. Okay, and then you go to the D minor 7. You're gonna play this part in the same way as you play the C major 7. So no differences there. It's down, down, up, clap, down, up, and then you go again, down, down, up, clap. So. And then you switch to the final chord in this main part of the song. It's the F major. And you're gonna play like this. So it's basically 2 rounds of down, down, up, clap, down, up. So down, down, up, clap, down, up. You start like that for all these chords, except from the A. You're gonna play just now for 2 full rounds. You didn't do that for any of the other chords. The F major is the longest one. You're gonna play 2 rounds of down, down, up, clap, down, up. And that's how it ends. So, one round slowly from beginning to the end. It goes like this. Standard tempo, a little bit faster. Now, I mentioned the bridge part. It happens about 1 minute and 46 seconds into the song. Now you're gonna play 2 downs per chord with a pause in between the downs. And the chords will be C major, then the D7 sus2, then the F major 7, and the F minor chord. You're gonna play for only this one chord progression. So 2 downs per chord, it goes like this: C major, D7, to F, to minor, and then into the main parts. So C, down, 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 just like that. And then that's it for Alec Benjamin's Found You First. Hope you enjoyed this. And if it was helpful, please let me know that. Leave a comment, subscribe to this channel, give me a like on this one, and support me in that way. I appreciate that a lot. Till next time, play tuned.